quick little brow cleanup while my client is basically restoring her eyebrows. They have grown in so beautifully, and we are just making sure we don't touch the tail ending area where it's more sparse. We want to allow that time to grow in. And you guys have responded well to the video with the eyebrow wax pickup. So I decided that I'm going to find a day where I can just do brows on TikTok Live. And I need some wax bottles. So if you are in the Palm Beach County area and you'd like to get a free brow wax, please make sure you have brows to wax, please. And please reach out. You can comment on this post. I'll reach out to you when I have a chance. Or you can DM me on Instagram. Now, we're using Golden Allure by Sexy Smooth Wax, and she definitely is doing the job. You can see how I'm getting some really nice precision applications here. Just take your time and use the edge of the stick. That's very important. And make sure you do those parallel strips so you do not lose the arch of the client, just like this. Now, the camera's moving a little bit because my wax model did bring her son, and he is touching the camera. And I'm just thinking to myself, like, oh, little boy, please, I don't want to mess your mama eyebrows up. But doing underneath, he kind of simmered down. I was so happy about that. Because you guys know how it is doing the eyebrows. One little mistake, baby, that is game over, okay? Now, there is an easy way to take wax off if it accidentally goes somewhere you don't want it to. That's too much work. I don't want it to happen at all. So doing underneath here, just being very careful. I'm still doing parallel strips underneath just to kind of create that shape and get it back. Because this is her, well, the eyebrow I just did is like her weaker eyebrow versus this one over here. So slowly but surely, when you're restoring your eyebrows, you will start to notice a progress. As long as you don't touch them, pluck them, or let someone else wax them, try to stick to one person, it should be fine. If you want to try out Golden Allure, don't forget to visit sexysmoothwax.com and get you some while it's on sale. And we're going to just go ahead and condition these eyebrows, brush them in place, and let me know in the comments how I did and if you want to be a wax model. Thanks for watching. Bye.